Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ashley. Today I'm making Delhi's famous street food dal kachori with potato curry. This is our family recipe I learned from my mom. So let's start with making the dough first. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ajwain and warm water to knead the dough. Okay, we are going to add oil. We are going to add salt and ajwain and mix it well. Okay guys, our dough is ready. We are going to cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. And meanwhile, we can start making the stuffing. Okay guys, for the stuffing we need half cup of urad dal. I soaked the dal in water for 1 hour and I roughly grind it. So it is still coarse. So you make sure that you don't puree the dal, okay? 4 tablespoons of besan chickpea flour. We need 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of saunf, fennel seed, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of haldi powder, half teaspoon of salt, and we need half teaspoon of kasuri methi. And then we are going to add mango powder at the end. Okay. In a pan, I added 3 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to add now besan or chickpea flour, 4 tablespoons. We'll cook it for a minute and then we are going to add all our spices. Okay, we cooked the masala for 1 minute and then we added our dal. Now we are going to cook it for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure that. Okay guys, our stuffing is ready. We are going to add a half teaspoon actually of amchur powder, mango powder. Our stuffing is ready. You see how beautiful it looks. This is ready. Now to make the potato curry, we need 3 boiled potatoes, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of kalonji seeds, and half teaspoon of peppercorns. We need 2 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of crushed chili peppers, and half teaspoon of haldi powder and half teaspoon of salt. Oil this time. This is about 3 tablespoons. Now we are going to add all the dry spices, so coriander seeds, cumin seed, kalonji and peppercorns. We will add all the dry spices again, tomatoes. Okay, so I added tomatoes and I added a little bit of water. So we want the tomatoes to cook. You're going to let it cook for 3 minutes and then we'll add potatoes. I'm also going to add the whole chilies. Okay, now we are going to add about 2 cups of water. Okay, now we are going to let it cook for around 15 to 20 minutes on low medium heat. Our potato curry has been cooking for at least 20 minutes and it is ready. So what we are going to do, back of this spoon, we are just going to mash the potatoes. Okay, now we are going to add about half teaspoon of mango powder, a little bit of coriander, and green chilies. Just mix all. And now our potato curry is ready. We are going to fry the kachoris now. Okay, so this is our dough. I'm going to cut it into equal size. Okay, our peras are ready. Our stuffing is right here, and what I did here is I made it into equal sizes so that will go inside our kachoris. This way we know how much to stuff each kachori, and every kachori gets the equal amount. This one right here, we stuff it in, and now we put it together. Make sure it closes properly. If you don't close it, it's gonna burst in when you're frying these. You can remove this part, see? Okay, so now all of these kachoris are stuffed. Now what's the next step I'm going to show you? Okay, I'm going to put a little bit oil in my hand, palm, and then you're just gonna press it, okay? If you don't want to do this way, then you can use the cutting board and then just gently press it. Okay guys, all our kachoris are ready. Now we are going to fry them on low medium. Make sure you don't fry them on high flame. Okay, so our this was the stuffing. So it's a leftover stuffing. You can freeze them, and next time when you're making kachori, you can kachori, you can use the same stuffing. So our oil is ready. Now we are going to put the kachoris in. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes for them to fry. Okay, they're frying really well. You can see the bubbles on top. So don't rush, don't fry them in high flame. Okay, our kachoris, they're almost ready. Look at that, how beautiful it looks. So excited to eat them. Okay guys, our first batch is ready. Okay guys, our second batch is ready as well. Okay, our dal kachoris are ready and they look absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, delicious. And our potato curry is ready as well. We are going to try them. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to dig in. Look how beautiful it is from inside as well.